The day I discover say even when people doubt me, God no doubt me. You don't ever stand for one place, hear people dey ask, who you be sef? You don't ever feel say nobody believe your dream, like say your voice too small, your idea too weak, your past too heavy. You don't ever waka alone because everybody don't doubt you finish. My person, make I tell you about the day I discover something deep. That day, people no change. Them still doubt me. Them still talk. Them still laugh small. But my spirit open eye. I realize say, human fit doubt you because them see your now. But God no dey doubt you because him dey see your finish. People dey judge with eye. God dey judge with purpose. Them see your weakness. God see him strength resting on you. So even when them say, e no go work, God dey say, watch me. Even when them close door for your face, God dey prepare better entrance. Even when them count you out, he dey count you in. No let people opinion define you. No let doubt silence your calling. The same God wey choose David when brothers overlook am, still dey choose people wey world no rate. If God no doubt you, who doubt matter? Bible talk for Romans 8:31 say, if God dey for us, who fit stand against us? That verse no be noise, na assurance. So today, rise again, lift your head, dust your heart. Walk like person wey know say God believe am. Talk like person wey heaven back am. Move like person wey destiny call. People fit doubt you, yes, but God no doubt you. And na him voice matter pass all. Because when God believe you, no doubt fit stop you.
This na Greywood Whispers, voice wey no loud but get sense.